The number 4 on the list is
the DeWalt DWHT51054 is a robust 20-ounce ripclaw hammer designed to meet the demands of both professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts. Constructed with durability in mind, this hammer boasts a forged steel head that can withstand heavy use and maintain its structural integrity over time. Its rip-claw design, featuring a curved claw for easy nail removal, ensures efficient and versatile functionality. The hammer's balanced weight distribution and ergonomic handle provide a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Whether you're framing, remodeling, or tackling various household projects, the DeWalt DWHT51054 is a reliable and versatile tool to have in your arsenal.
The number 3 on the list is
the Irwin Tools IWHT51024 is a robust 24 ounces demolition steel framing hammer designed to meet the demands of heavy-duty construction and demolition work. This hammer is crafted with precision and durability in mind, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its solid steel construction ensures longevity and reliability, even in the most demanding tasks. The 24 ounces head delivers substantial striking power, making it ideal for framing, renovation, and demolition projects. The hammer's ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The IWHT51024 is a versatile, high-quality tool that simplifies heavy-duty hammering tasks, ensuring efficiency and precision on the job site.
The number 2 on the list is
the Irwin hammer, with a 16 ounces weight and a fiberglass handle, is a versatile and reliable tool designed for general-purpose use. This hammer's weight provides a good balance between power and precision, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The fiberglass handle is not only lightweight but also durable, ensuring a comfortable grip and long-lasting performance. The hammer features a claw on one end, which makes it ideal for tasks that require both striking and pulling, such as carpentry, framing, and general construction work. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly design, the Irwin hammer is a valuable addition to any toolbox, whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast.
The number 1 on the list is
the Irwin hammer, fiberglass, general purpose, claw, 16 ounces, 1,954,889, is a versatile and reliable tool designed to meet